Hiking is a bit like life. The journey only requires you to put one foot in front of the other, again and again and again. And if you allow yourself the opportunity to be present throughout the entirety of the trek, you will witness beauty every step of the way, not just at the summit. Famous few words of an unknown writer, and my feeling exact. Hi, I'm Neha, a girl in the midst, and welcome back to the Parvati Valley series. And good morning from the beautiful Parvati Valley, and we are staying at this beautiful property. As you can see, I'm sitting like this because of the sun. It's super strong right now. In an hour or so it will be absolutely chilly, cold, जैसे कल रात में हो गया था. कल रात में हमें पहुंचने में बहुत टाइम लग गया. We reached at about 7 PM. Okay, wait. अगर आपने पिछला एपिसोड नहीं देखा है, so go back to the Parvati Valley playlist, watch the previous episode and come back. I will link it for you here. But today the plan is exploring this beautiful town. We have a cafe right there that we might go soon in the day, and that's the plan, and the views are spectacular. और अभी तक स्नो नहीं हुई है. ये बोल रहे हैं कि नवंबर में स्नो हो जाती है 15 नवंबर के आसपास. सो इससे बेटर व्यूज़ तो हो ही नहीं सकते. तो शुरू करते हैं डे 2 और सबसे पहले बात करते हैं अकोमोडेशन की. तो हम रुके थे कयाल वुड कॉटेज में. Encapsulated by the mighty Himalayas from all sides, this is one of the cozy abodes that you can find here. Balayage of color-filled roofs and wildflower fields, just like in the novels. उसके साथ जीवन भैया के बेहतरीन खाना. I mean, literally, you were in the middle of nowhere and you get to eat jungly chicken and chili paneer made perfectly. It's just out of the world experience. Let me give you a quick tour of the place. यहाँ पे आपको cottages मिलेंगे, rooms मिलेंगे और bunks भी मिलेंगे with a gorgeous view of the valley. If you're looking for some excitement, the recreation room is just for you. You can keep yourself entertained with a rocking drum set and many board games. I mean, there will not be a dull moment, trust me. और ऐसे होती थी हमारी मॉर्निंग्स यहाँ पे. Hey, Sari, what's your name? What's your name? Hi. Hey, puppy. How can you not fall for these adorable mutts? They greeted us every morning while we enjoyed our scrumptious breakfast. यहाँ तो जो भी खाओ वो इतना अच्छा लगता है, as if you have a whole set of new taste buds. I guess ये मौसम का सुरूर है. I promise, just the मौसम and the place, nothing else. So if you want that homely experience, do book this place. I'll put all their details in the description box below. क्योंकि ये जगह अभी तक commercialized नहीं हुई है, so you will find fairly budget-friendly options to stay here. Homestays and cottages are available throughout the village. बहुत सारे कैफेज भी यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन देते हैं रुकने का. They give you a room, and by the way, all of which is less than 1,000 rupees. Can you imagine? It's just amazing. And by the way, you can also bring your own tents to camp here near the locals at a very nominal fee and live the Himalayan life. क्योंकि हम कैफेज की बात कर रहे हैं तो चलिए ले चलते हैं आपको अपने स्पेशल कैफे में which became our home while we were in Shilha. Right now we are in a cafe called Peaceful Cafe. We are here for lunch. Welcome to the cafe. So Pages, how are you liking the cafe so far without the food?
सही है. Not bad place to spend your time for a while.
Really? He's surely a man of few words. Not bad बोला है मतलब 5 star. यहाँ के कैफ़ेज़ में आपको बहुत सारा अमेरिकन, जर्मन और इजरायली इन्फ्लुएंस दिखेगा, स्पेशली फूड मेन्यू में. हमने अपने दिन का बहुत टाइम यहाँ पे स्पेंड करा. यहाँ से हम काम करते थे एंड वी हैड अमेजिंग फूड. वी हैड पैनकेक्स एंड सम सैंडविचेस. You should definitely come here if you're visiting Shilha. And talking about work, who knew that this village will be an amazing workation option? Yes, you heard it right. If you are looking for a workation option at an offbeat place, this place is your answer. You get amazing Airtel and JIO here, which makes it a perfect workation spot. Now you know where to come. और जैसी हुई रात, टेम्परेचर्स हुए ड्रॉप, भैया ने हमारे कॉटेज में एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग बॉनफायर जला रखी थी जहाँ पे हमने बैठ के अपने हाथ सेके और की बहुत सारी बातें. A night lit with the dreamy starlines and constellations, icy wind blowing on your face, and you're sitting in front of a warm fire. अब इससे बेटर एंडिंग तो हो ही नहीं सकती थी. ऐसे हमारा दूसरा दिन बीता शिला विलेज में. तो यहाँ ख़त्म करते हैं डे 2 को. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. सपोर्ट मी, योर गर्ल नेहा का गर्ल इन द मिड्स. Follow me on my Instagram. My handle is girl_in_the_midst. And I will be right back with the brand new episode of the Parvati Valley series. Till then, you keep traveling. Stay safe. Ciao. Your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.